Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Liz Rose. I do makeup tutorials, quite dramatic makeup tutorials on this channel, and also some like videos like get ready with me, chit chat videos, haul videos and stuff like that. If you don't know already, I'm doing like kind of a natural glam kind of series for my prom lovers out there and people going to prom, and also for my clients to see that I don't always just do colourful makeup. I can do glam natural makeup in a sense. So if that's something you'd like to see, please make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and also like this video if you enjoyed it. Please let me know down below if you are going to prom this year. I have done a few prom inspired, kind of prom and graduation I suppose, same kind of thing. I will link some of the videos up there in the eye just so you can see different kind of styles. I am going to be doing these types of videos for a few weeks, so stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed. And I have lipstick on my teeth. And yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so today's look is inspired by LO_LAV XO. It basically is LO_LAVXO on Instagram. I will pop the photo up on the screen. I'm out of breath. Why? It's an absolutely stunning look. It's a matte, like kind of halo eye. You're getting two halo eyes in two separate videos. So that's what we're doing today. I have been getting a few requests to do prom makeup, so if you want me to do your prom makeup and you're in my area, go check out my Facebook page or my website. I will link both in the description box just so you can check them out. We're on day 5, so let's get crack-a-lackin'. So as you can see, I did my traditional one eye, and now I'm going to show you what I did on this eye. I am going to be using a mix of palettes. I'm using the P. Louise Secret Sinner palette. I'm using the, what's this called? The Sample Beauty palette just for the black, and then I'm using the Revolution Reloaded Visionary palette just for one shade. So yeah, the P. Louise one didn't have all the shades that I needed, so I needed to venture out and go into different palettes. But obviously you can get a matte black in pretty much everywhere, or like a single black shadow. But I'll start rambling now. So I'm going to take the P. Louise base in the shade 0.5. It's quite a, I think it's the palest shade apart from the white. Pop that on the back of my hand, and I'm going to do what I normally do. Kind of all over the place today. I have been quite ill recently. I don't know whether I've had food poisoning or something like that, because my stomach has been dodgy. Not that you need to know any of this, but we're all friends here. I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun. So jumping into the first shade, we're going to go in to the P. Louise palette, and on a fluffy blending brush I'm going to take Fling, which is a nice warm brown, and we're going to pop this in the crease. Of course we're going to round this out like I normally do, and I'm first patting this shade on so I get the most opaque shade that I want. And we are going to be taking this shade quite high, just because when I cut my crease goes quite high, and I need the dark shades to pop out, so that's why I go quite high. Okay, so then to darken the crease, I'm going to go in with Love Struck from the P. Louise palette. It's a really nice dark brown shade, and I'm popping that straight into the crease. first mapping out where I want this crease colour to go, and again get the pigment up by patting. I'm sorry if you can hear the rain outside. It is currently raining here in Wales. If you don't know where Wales is, it's in the UK, but not England. It's not England or Scotland or Ireland. Yeah, we've had a few nice sunny days over Easter, the Easter holiday, but currently it is raining. That's our summer done. I'm just going back and forth with both them shades, the lighter one and the dark one, just making sure we are all blended. I really want this to be dark and smoky. I am going to go in with a little weeny teeny bit of black, but I do want this shade to be the main darkness, because I don't like adding too much black. Okay, so then adding a slight hint of black, taking the black from the Sample Beauty palette, and literally just putting a tiny amount of this. As you can see, it will add a bit of darkness, which I want, but you literally don't need that much. Okay, so I think I'm happy with that blend. Now I'm going to go in and cut the crease. So I'm going to take that P. Louise base again and first pop that in the middle to get where my crease is going. As you can see, it does help to find where I need to cut the crease. So yeah, we're only going to cut the middle part of the crease as we're doing a halo eye.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall, my love.
Okay, so to blend the edges out, I'm going to take Love Struck first and place this on the outer corner and the inner corner. And then to blend that, I'm going to take the Fling shade. Then I'm going to go into the Revolution palette and I'm going to take this shade down here. It's like the perfect skin colour. I'm going to pat that on with my finger to start off with.
You wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do.
Okay, so next I'm going to take a liquid black eyeliner and just slightly line my upper lash line, just roughly, and then I'm going to take the black shade again and smoke that out a little bit. I'm really liking the smoked out look lately. I just think it looks so glam and not so like harsh. Get rid of some of the fallout on my face. A little bit of the black got on my face. Okay, so next I'm going to move on to the face. Okay, so for primer, I'm actually going to be taking the L'Oreal Lumi Magic Primer Base. This is a illuminating primer. I'm not sure if they actually sell this product anymore, but L'Oreal has come out with a kind of like illuminating primer, which is quite similar to this. So if that's replaced this, then I will link that instead of this. But yeah, I do prefer this one though, because it's not as pinky as the illuminating one. Yeah, if you know me, I love an illuminated base.
There's a reason why we lose.
Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way. I really like this foundation because it gives good coverage, but then it is quite like, not dewy, but it's like a semi-matte kind of nice finish. I have the shade Nude, which is going to be slightly too dark for me, but we will work with it. I'm going to shake this up. I think I'm just going to use a sponge for this. So this is the Beauty Blender. Okay, so I forgot how much I actually love this foundation. Now I know why James Charles raves about it. I just need to get my non-tan shade. Okay, so then for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced again. Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Swan. This is quite a light shade. Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. Okay, so lately I've been loving doing cream contour. This is the Rimmel Insta Duo Stick in the shade Light. So I'm just going to add this to the places that I need it and blend that out with a sponge. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a... Okay, so I'm going to set my face a little bit with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Fair. I'm only going to set basically my under eyes and my like T-zone area. I'm not going to bake. Okay, so next for bronzer, I'm going to use the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural, I believe, in the shade Medium Dark. I really love using this for a bronzer. I find it works really well. It isn't just a normal face powder, but I'm gonna use this. I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. Okay, so next I'm going to use the NYX HD Blush in the shade Pink the Town. It's just a nice blush. I really like these blushes. They are in my kit because I find they're really nice for like building up the shade instead of getting, you know, pigment straight there. Okay, so then I'm going to set my face with the I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray in the scent Vanilla and Coconut. Okay, so whilst that dries, I'm going to go off camera and do my eyebrows and put some lashes on, and I will be right back to do under the eye and highlight and lips. Okay, so under the eye, I'm going to grab a black pencil liner and go in my waterline. I also went on my upper waterline. The lashes I am wearing are the Tatty lashes in TL Mitchell. Of course, these are like my favourite lashes of all time, especially if you want a glam dramatic look. So then I'm going to go into the P. Louise palette and grab Fling, which is the lighter brown we took, and I'm going to take this all the way across my lower lash line like so, and then I'm going to take a little bit of the Love Struck, which is the darker brown, and go on top of that, and then I'm going to take the tiniest amount of black and I'm going to put that as close to the lash line as possible. So again, I want that like smudged out black look. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with highlight, which I completely forgot. I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood highlight. If I can bloody open it. I think this highlight has become one of my faves. It probably would look better if I had more of a tan on. but that's okay. And then to add a little bit of pop in the inner corner, I'm going to take some of that highlight on my brush, wet the brush a little bit, and place that in there. Love that highlight so much. Okay, so then for lips, my go-to at the moment is the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in the shade BFF2, and then the, I hope I haven't done this lip already. I don't think I have, but in the videos. But then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Colour Sensational Matte Lipstick in the shade 930 Nude Embrace. Really love these lipsticks. They smell like Play-Doh. Oh, they smell like Play-Doh and they are really matte but like comfortable on the lips, which I love. So I'm going to pop these on.
You want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.
Okay, so this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this like kind of dramatic matte halo eye. I will link my inspiration down below in the description box. I will link everything as well that I used so it's easy for you to find. I really love a dramatic, glamorous look. I think it looks stunning. Before you leave, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And yeah, that is it for this video. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.